We are using so many apps to conduct MCQs which are freely available, but all during online. This is I am preparing offline mode. We can conduct MCQ which gives the answer immediately. This is the small programming on Excel sheets where we can set the questions with 4 or any numbers of alternate options. After that we have to choose the correct options. Then student can attempt the questions and select the options from the drop down menu, and immediately they can check the answer. So let us start how it works. So this is the student details. They can write their roll number, anything. It can be changed 1 2 say 5 4. This is my name. They can write any name, say thus whatever this class. This is basically for class 7. Decimal from the chapter decimal. So section, whatever the date of exam, they can write, say today is 28/7/22. They can write the dates. So this automatically it will reflect in their results. So now these are the questions already set. These are the questions. So there are 10 questions. This is scroll down menu is there. Whatever they have written, their roll number, name, class, sections, date of exam, it will reflect in this sheet as well as in the result sheet also. So now this is the result sheet. So this is the roll number, whatever. So total number of questions 10. Attempt number of questions attempt still 0. So not attempted. Now this is the questions. So these are the questions, and these are the 4 alternate options. Now this is the drop down menu. From there they can choose any one of the 4 options A, B, C, D. So this is the question, sum of these two, the answer is A, so you can choose A. That is immediately here it will come, that is one question's answered. So now question number 2, 3 kiloliter and 55 liter is equal to, which one is the correct option? So here is also correct option is, click here, drop down menu, A. So you can choose any right or wrong option, no problem. This is equal to 5 places, I think option is B. If we give the correct option, we will get 1 mark. If we choose wrong option, we will get 0 mark. So as per the rule of MCQ, the pair of decimal whose product is this. So this is 3 places decimal, and so only we will get 3 places in C. To C, now scroll down. So the quotient, when dividing this by 100, that is decimal will shift 2 place left. The correct option is, I think, C. Okay, let's choose C. Now scroll again. This decimal product of this 4 places. So here this is 1 place, 3 places, 4 places. So option is D. So see, this is changed automatically. To get this we need to add, so we have to subtract, and so 3 0 3 0 3 is this, then 4 minus 4, not 8 minus 4 4, so this and this, then 6 minus 4 2, this again this, so 0 3. So option A is the correct option. And 5 minus 3 2, option A is the correct option. So select option A. Now this, which one is greater? Choose any right or wrong option, no problem. Anything, say choose A. Then this add and multiplied by 0.2. So whatever the correct option, you get right. 2. Say let me choose option C. It may be right or wrong. Now if we divide this, choose any options. So this is 6.31, option C. Option C, choose option C from drop down menu. So now see, total number of questions 10, and here also 10. We can increase the number of questions, and immediately after that we can check the result. So see here, total number of questions attempt 10 and total marks obtained 8. So I have choose 2 wrong questions, that's why the wrong options, that's why this is 2 marks less, total mark is 8. So at percentage ratio, definitely out of 10, 8. So here we can change any questions. So questions are here, so you can right click, unhide. So our question is there. So when you change the questions and immediately choose the correct option. So if you write any question, let me check. So smallest prime, if for alternate option say 0, 1, 2, right, none, anything, none of them. So here the correct option is, the smallest prime number is 2, so correct option C here, right, C, right, only C. So similarly you can change this, any question, it may be history, it may be English, it may be science, anything you can write 4 alternate option and immediately choose the correct option. Now here the option is C. If I choose option A or B, so I will get 0, but correct option is C. Again see that in the questions, question number 1 I have changed the smallest prime number is 0, 1, 2, 3. Already my option was selected A. So now earlier it was total mark 8. Now you can see total mark 7. Yes, 7. Now if I change this here, correct option C, then I will get 8. So in this way you can change all the questions or few of the questions or subject wise. So you can prepare English. This program is already made. So here simply you have to change the option, correct option. Now correct option should be in this yellow box only, yellow cell only. So here if you write, so cells are related, interrelated with the answer. So you can change these questions also, but here you cannot change. This is locked. So here you cannot change anything. So here simply this cell is unlocked. Only you can change this option. So here if I change some other options, again mark will be less. So correct option was earlier. So no, this question was earlier it was wrong. Now it becomes right. So I have chosen wrong options. So this 3 kiloliter and 55 liter is equal to milliliter. Here all given milliliter. This option was wrong. Earlier I have chosen B, so wrong. This is option D is correct. So now we got 9 marks. So I think you like this video. If anybody needs any guidelines or help, I will provide this Excel sheet in my suggestion box. So you can download it and you can change with the question, but this is limited with only 10 questions. Here total number of questions is 10, but we can increase for any number of questions. Thank you.